For 3 years, I was consistent. I woke up early. I showed up every day. I stuck to my routines, and my life didn't really change. No real progress, no big wins, just the same place, year after year. That's when something hit me hard. Consistency by itself isn't powerful. Being consistent at the wrong things is just slow self-sabotage. If you've been working hard but still feel stuck, this might be exactly what's happening to you. Here's what my days actually looked like. Checking emails, organizing files, watching productivity videos, planning my goals, rewriting my to-do list every single day. I felt busy, responsible, disciplined. But if I'm being honest, I was avoiding the work that actually mattered, the uncomfortable work, the scary work, the stuff where I might fail. And that's the trap. Your brain loves safe productivity. Planning feels productive. Research feels productive. Organizing feels productive. But none of it changes your life if you never take real action. The wake-up call came at the end of the year. Same goals, same excuses, same results. And that feeling gets heavy. You start thinking, why am I not moving forward? How is everyone else getting ahead? What am I doing wrong? Here's the truth. You're not lazy. You've just been consistent with the wrong habits. And that's dangerous, because it feels like you're doing everything right. This idea changed everything for me. Being busy is not the same as making progress. Busy looks like watching tutorials, taking more courses, planning the perfect routine, preparing over and over. Progress looks like posting the video, applying for the job, launching the project, starting before you feel ready. Being busy protects your comfort. Progress challenges your confidence. That's why most people stay busy instead of growing. If you want to fix this, try something simple tonight. Instead of a to-do list, make an avoidance list. Ask yourself, what's the one thing I keep putting off, even though I know it matters? Maybe it's starting your business idea, going to the gym consistently, studying seriously, having a tough conversation, sharing your work online. That thing you keep avoiding? That's probably the real work. For me, it was creating and publishing instead of just learning and planning. And once I faced it, things finally started moving. I started following one rule. Do the uncomfortable thing first every day, before emails, before social media, before anything else. Just one hard action. Some days it was 15 to 20 minutes. Some days it felt messy. Some days it felt awful. But after a few weeks, something changed. Real progress. Not the feeling of progress, actual results. Because growth lives on the other side of discomfort. Here's what most people get wrong. They think they need more motivation. You don't. You need better direction. You don't need to work longer hours. You need to work on the things that actually move the needle. Because 3 years of effort in the wrong direction is still 3 years gone. But 1 year of focused, uncomfortable action, that can completely change your life. Quick reality check. You might be stuck if you plan more than you execute. You consume more than you create. You stay busy but don't see results. Your goals stay the same year after year. You avoid anything that tests your real ability. If that sounds like you, don't beat yourself up. This is actually a good sign. Awareness is where real change starts. So here's the takeaway. Consistency isn't enough. Be consistent with the uncomfortable work, the visible work, the action that feels a little scary, not the easy stuff, not the busy stuff. Tonight, ask yourself one question. What's the one thing I've been avoiding that would actually move my life forward? Then spend just 20 minutes on it. No perfect plan, no overthinking, just start. Because the goal isn't to stay busy. The goal is to stop wasting years on the wrong things. Let's make sure the next year actually counts. One uncomfortable step at a time.